YouTube, this is Ben Domishin. I'm the creator of the Sideways Movement and Weekend of Van Life. Welcome to my channel where every project gets a video. I picked these up at Costco. I got 2 of them so I could connect them together and make an extra long strip. In this video I'm going to install them, share some of my tips and tricks, and then show you what they look like installed. Let's go. Let's take a look at the lights straight out of the box. Comes with a 16-foot light strip. They connect together pretty easily. I have noticed a few times in comments people forget to press the 2 button on the remote to make the 2 light strips work together. So that's something you have to remember. I thought for a long time to find a way to hang these without any type of sag, as well as to make them a little bit easier to install and look a little neater when installed. I found the J channel is perfect. The strip can sit into the J channel. I cut the pieces in lengths to allow for a small gap in the middle where the 2 light strips would join. I just neatened up the wiring along the top of the door frame and then plugged it into the Christmas lights plug. Testing it out, they look pretty good. I like that I don't have to pull them down again in January. I'm just going to leave them up there full time. Okay, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like it, drop a comment, subscribe, and next time.